Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video I am going to explain you the part 2 of lesson number 10, shelter its variety. Already I have uploaded part 1 in my channel, you can check from there. I have also given the link in the description box. You can check the part 1 of the lesson number 10, shelter its variety. In the part 1 we have studied the changes in the recognition of houses from time to time, and we have identified the difference between the houses in rural area and urban area, and we have known about the multi-storied building and slum urban area. Now next part we will start from here. Here you can see the question is there. Name the 5 types of houses that appear in the story of Venkatji. The story of Venkatji we have studied in the last part. Now related to that we will answer these following questions. So what are the 5 types of houses that appeared in the Venkatji story? That is hut, concrete house, building, tiles house, mud house. Okay, now what changes have taken place in your locality in construction of houses? Ask elders and write. See children, the materials have changed from time to time in the construction of houses, right? Yes, we will write here that. So materials used for the purpose of constructions are changing, right? Yes, now we will write here the materials used for the construction of buildings from a hut to multi-storied building. Okay, now here in the first picture what can you see? Which picture is this? This is the picture of hut. Now we have to write here what are the materials used to build a hut. We will write here mud, bamboo, sand, dry leaves, cow dung. Okay, what are the materials used to build this house, tiles house? We will write Mangalore tiles, wood, stone, sand. Now here is a building. So what are the materials used for the building? Concrete, stone, iron, marble, wood, glass. Here is a multi-storied building. To build multi-storied building, what are the materials needed? Concrete, stone, steel, marble, iron, glass. Okay, now here one activity is there children. You have to know the prices of 1 bag of cement, 1 brick, 1 lorry load of sand, 1 ton of steel or iron. Now it is how much, and before 1 year ago it is how much. Okay, know this with the help of your elders. Okay, now know the type of wood used for the construction of the house. Now we will study about the things which are used for the construction of the house. Okay, here are the pictures of materials that are essential for the construction of house are given. We have to put right mark to the materials that is used for the construction of the house. Okay, tell me, wood is needed for the construction of the house? Yes, it is needed. Hay leaves is needed for the construction of house? Yes, in some of the places it will used, but in the building of the big buildings the hay leaves were not used. Okay, now tiles, yes it will use. Sand, yes it will use. Mud, it will be used. Cement, it will be used. Toilet, yes it will be used in the construction of house. Then glass, it will be used. Then metal, it will be used. Then again mud, it will be used. Stones, it will be used. Bricks, it will be used. And tiles, it will be used. Sheet, it will be used. Iron, it will be used. So there is a change in construction of houses. Is there any change in the shelter of animals and birds? Children, do the houses of animals and birds will change? No, it will not change. Children, haven't you observed the living places of certain animals and birds? See, look at the shelters of animals and birds and fill in the table given below. Here are the table in which you have to write the shelters of the given animals and materials used for the construction of the shelter by the animals. Okay, first sparrow. Sparrow, what is the shelter of sparrow? Nest. What are the materials used for nest? Twigs, leaves, grass. White ant, what is the shelter of white ant? Cartons, we will say it, cartons. It is made up of mud. Weaver bird shelter, nest is made up of twig, leaves, grass. Parrot lives in nest, that is holes. Okay, holes of the trees. So materials used for the holes is holes, burrows. Tiger, where does the tiger live? Tiger live in cave. materials for the cave is stone. Then fish live in water. There is no material for the construction of water. Woodpecker lives in trunk holes. For the trunk holes, material is tree trunk. A crow lives in nest. For nest, we want twigs, bark, moss. Then frog lives in fresh water. Then rat lives in holes. To the build holes, we need mud and soil. Honeybee lives in beehive. For beehive is built on trees and buildings. Then snake lives in holes. So holes is made up of mud or soil. Here you can see the different pictures of the shelter of the animals, right? Yes. Then next, there is a variety in the shelter of the animals also, right? They use different materials to build their shelters, don't they? Yes, we have saw now many animals build their homes accordingly, and they will use the different materials. Yes, so here one activity is there, children. You have to do it by yourself. What you have to do is try to build a shelter of animals with paper, cardboard, grass, dry leaves, etc. Build a house with materials like matchbox, cardboard, mud and bricks, which are easily available. You have to make a house and you have to build a shelter of animals. Okay, here some of the facts are there. Do you know this? You have to tell me. Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. Its height is 829.2 meters, that is 2722 feet. Then Dharavi of Mumbai is the largest slum in India. More than 10 lakh people lives there. It is also called the largest slum area of Asia. And nowadays some projects have been implemented to construct eco-friendly houses by using the materials in a limited way. People are interested in constructing houses by adopting solar heater of heat water, rainwater harvesting, management of garbage, etc. in the house itself. There are records about the anthill which spread for more than 650 acres. They are called great nests. Lakhs of ants live in them. So these are some of the facts. So this is all about your lesson number 10, shelter, its variety, part 2. As I have told you, I have put the link in the description box of part 1. You can check from there. And if you want the other lessons explanation also, you can check from my channel. Thanks for watching.